meets is the Dominican Republic in the Caribbean Sea, located near the equator. The most interesting thing I found there was Pico Duarte, the tallest mountain in the entire Caribbean. It was formed long ago when the dinosaurs roamed the earth from a colliding plate boundary that created a subduction zone. Subduction zones create magma with a giant volcano. This volcano happened to grow so tall that it breached the ocean water level and formed a mountain. This mountain is now 10,100 feet above sea level. The hike to the summit takes 2 days, so you may want to saddle up a donkey to make the trip a bit easier. It's hard work, but when you get to the top, you will enjoy sweeping views. Then it's time to set up camp and watch the sunset. And at night, you can warm up from the cool high altitudes with a roaring bonfire. Inspired by my Dominican Republican students throughout the years, I decided to take a trip to this place to see it for myself. What I found were rich cities, helpful people, strong culture, preservation of history. I mean, this is the first place that Christopher Columbus ever landed. Hang on to see some cool clips of this trip. Hey, welcome to Earth Science Around the World. We're in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, and they're so proud here. We're traveling by teleférico up to the top of Isabella de Torres Mountain. We made it to the top of the mountain, Isabella Torres, and we have a view of Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic, and we can see all the amazing lagoons. And from here you can actually see the reefs underwater, and we're actually on top of an old dead volcano. Pretty cool. We can see the many mountain ranges of the north coast of Dominican Republic. At the top of this mountain, because of the nice cool weather reaching the dew point, we get a really amazing tropical rainforest. And this tropical rainforest is home to the native parrot. The Taino Indians that used to live here many years ago used the parrot as a gift to give to the Europeans when they arrived. And unfortunately, the parrot is now endangered, and it lives on the top of this mountain. So if we're lucky, hopefully today we'll be able to see one. So, in Dominican Republic, there was a horrible dictator, and he built this dome as a spot to look out and try to protect this land against invasion. But he did not pay attention to earth science class, so this thing never functioned as a protection, because as we all know, as air rises up to the top of the mountain, it cools and forms clouds when it reaches the dew point. So his vision point to look out was always cloudy, so now it's a gift shop. We're in El Chaco National Park with Steven, our guide, and I asked him, what is this rock? Dígame, Steven.
The rock here, that is coral of the ocean. So that's a proof that the island was ocean before. The island is 80 million years. So some people say that the ocean will come back in space. Any people know when. So one day is the first time.
Yeah. So all this rock used to be under the water because this island's 80 million years old. It's risen up and the ocean has fallen down, and now the rock is exposed. We're gonna walk up to some caves that Steven's gonna show us. We'll catch you there. Steve, our guide, tells us that we're gonna go down into there 25 meters to swim, and this has been eroded away by the ocean waves. When this was underwater, the ocean eroded away all this reef and made this 25-meter deep hole. Maybe we'll see you down there. 3, Woo! This is crazy. Oh my God. Okay, now he's gonna show us the second cave as we're gonna go back up these stairs and into the next one. Let's go.
Tú vas a ver. Se iba así. Oye, ese man. Un mosquito.
So guys, look up here is the stalactites. This down, stalagmites. These rocks here take 100-150 years of growing 1 centimeter. And like I say you, like I show you, what is it? Lenny.
Oh my god.
If you listen that, hollow, so the water drip in the middle, like you see that it's open here. So the water dripping here when it's a winter, the stalactite is full of water. The cave have got a lot of water here.
That's amazing. At the top of this mountain, we're gonna walk. Can we walk together?